Hello, today we will guide you through how to use filters in Axiom Pro. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to access the filter tools in Axiom Pro and use them to narrow down what you see on the Discover page. Filters are especially helpful when you want to focus on specific types of results instead of scrolling through everything manually. To begin, open the Axiom Discover page for the Solana view. This is where you'll be working for the entire process. Once the page loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so it's easier to spot the filtering options at the top of the screen. Next, look toward the top area of the page and click on Filter. This will open the filtering panel where you can customize how results are displayed. If you're new to this section, don't worry. The idea is simply to refine what appears on screen so the data is more relevant to what you're looking for. After opening the filter menu, select the sample protocol. This step helps define the category or source you want to focus on. Choosing a protocol is useful because it lets Axiom Pro limit the results based on that specific selection, making your search more targeted and easier to review. Once the protocol has been selected, enter the sample keyword in the appropriate field. This keyword acts as an additional filter and helps narrow the results even further. When entering keywords, it's a good idea to type carefully and use the exact term you want to match, since even small differences can affect what appears in the results. From there, continue by following the on-screen procedure. At this stage, Axiom Pro may present additional options or prompts related to the filter setup. Simply move through those settings as they appear on your screen. The important thing here is to review each option before moving on, so your filter settings match the results you want to generate. Once everything is set up and you're satisfied with your selections, click Apply All. This confirms all of the filter choices you've made and updates the Discover page accordingly. After applying the filters, the results should refresh to reflect the protocol, keyword, and any other options you selected during the process. And that's it. You've successfully used filters in Axiom Pro to refine your Discover view. If needed, you can always reopen the filter panel to adjust your settings and fine-tune the results further. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you work more efficiently in Axiom Pro.